Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome to my home. In today's video, I am going to be doing a summer refresh on my patio, and it's a beautiful, sunny, hot, and humid day, but I'm motivated to get out and get it done. So I'm going to be taking you all along with me. It was such a hot and humid day that a lot of the cleaning that we did, I did it off camera. And what we used was a bleach solution, and we sprayed down the walls of the house on this back side and the patio, the steps, and everything. And then we used the brush to scrub off the green algae or whatever that is, tree sap, and then we did a thorough rinse until we got all of that off, the railings, the steps, and all of the siding. All right, now the deck is dry. It's a very hot and humid day, but we've got the deck done. It's dry, so now it's time for all the fun part. So I'm gonna go ahead and put out the area rug that we're going to use for this season, and we're just going to start putting all the pieces back together. I'm going to put this brush away, get this put up and all this stuff, and we're going to just start putting everything together. And we've got the rails clean because they had that icky looking green sap stuff all over it, and so we've got that cleaned. So now I can start decorating. The walls and everything looks fantastic. What I am going to do is I'm going to take some glass cleaner and touch up this window and this door, and we're going to do this lantern. Now we got this lantern last summer season, and I just love it here, and it has held up well. It does not get a whole lot of rain or anything on it because it's halfway covered, as you can see right here. So yeah, let's get that done. So now I'm just going to touch up this glass on the window, on the lantern there, and on the door, and then we're going to start decorating. This is a quick before look of our patio before we put everything back into place. And so now I'm going to put all our chairs and tables and all that good stuff. So let's get it done. And we installed these lights last season, and they have held up beautifully. They look so pretty at night when they automatically pop on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our area rug. Okay, so I've got my area rug down, and we're using a faux grass area rug this year. This is my first time ever using this. So we're going to see how it works out for this season. I think it's very pretty, and it'll be a very, it's going to be very vibrant to have that green popping up off this gray colored patio. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add back in our table and all the other heavier pieces. Okay, now we have the table in place, so now I'm going to add the chairs on each side. And it looks like my lights are getting ready to pop on. It is late in the afternoon, but it is still hot and humid. And the little flickering that you're seeing right here in this back, that's my light. They automatically come on, so it's getting ready to come on or maybe we got some water in it. So okay, so now we have this seating area into place. So now we're going to come on this side and we're going to set up this sitting area over here. I'm going to add my chairs.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild.
Took a quick trip to the Lowe's Garden Center because I wanted to replace the plants that I had in my large flower pots that I keep on my patio year round. So I'm definitely here looking for some perennials, something colorful and vibrant. That I purchased from Lowe's, and these are my purple bells. We have some of these in my front landscape, and I also purchased these beauties as well, and we're going to put those in the pots. Okay, so now I'm going to repot these pots here with the flowers that I just showed you. So now that we've got our cushions in place, I'm going to go ahead and add in these beautiful hydrangea pillows. Okay, we've got the pillows into place, so the only thing I need to do is to put something here. And I also stopped by my local Walmart to see couldn't I find a planter to replace the one that Zeno broke. And I noticed that a lot of the planters were on clearance. And so when I return home, I'll show you which one I picked out. Now this is the flower pot that I purchased recently from my local Walmart. It was on clearance. We're going to take this pot and I'm going to put a faux arrangement in here. These are some pieces that I had on hand in my stash. It is so piping hot. I ran out of potting soil and I'm not planting anything else. So we're going to do the faux, and I will go back when it gets much cooler and add in the real plant in here because I've got a plant that I want to put in. I'm going to take this old tin pot that I have, and I'm going to place this in the center so I won't have to use any foam. And I'm just going to go ahead and make this arrangement. I'm going to start with this thick greenery piece here. So this is how it looks so far. This might not be the best shot, but let me tilt it so you can see how it looks on top. And look how full that looks. I'm loving the color combination of this rustic gray and white with the pops of green and the purple. And then I found these little pieces. I love to decorate with these little florals, and I'm just going to add in a few inconspicuously in here. And I need one more. I'm going to put one more in there. All right, so we've got that all done. And what I'm going to do is go ahead back outside in the hot temperatures, and we're going to put this into place. And then I'm going to give you a final reveal of all that we've done today. And I almost forgot I need to put down my floor mat. Some of you will probably remember this mat because I used it on my front porch in my summer decorate with me on my front porch. So I thought it would be beautiful to put back here. Okay, for final touches, we're gonna go ahead and add a refreshing treat. Just cut up a lime and some apple slices. Add this little green topiary. And of course, we're going to have some glasses to drink our refreshing drink. So now, let's take a look around at the final reveal.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here.
down when you know you really like it. All the feels in the moment, and it kills when I know it. Where we they go? Yeah, where we they go? No, no. I pick it, I do that. You see me, you can for me bigger. I lose it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, oh. Open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hearty, I feel run, run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me I feel act when I see you blushing, girl you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I want, girl I like you like me too. Cool I been there, I said I come and live there. Then you pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl tell me where we dey. Where my thing dey? Till where my thing dey? Pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl tell me where we dey. Oh nah, I pick it, I do that.